Let's see what this little thing can do. I've been curious about it. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka, and thank you to the brand for sending this my way so I could try it out and share how it feels in real life. First impression, it's small, light, and honestly, kind of cute. Feels like one of those things you just keep in your makeup bag for quick fixes. I like that it's USB rechargeable because I never have batteries when I actually need them. Plug it in, charge it, and done. The size makes it easy to hold, and it doesn't feel harsh or scary to use on the face. It's more like a little touch-up tool when you want to look put together without doing a whole routine. So as I'm using it, it feels gentle, not scratchy, and it's doing what it needs to do without any drama. This is exactly the kind of thing I grab when I'm getting ready and just want to fix those tiny details quickly. All right, I'm going to finish trying it out, but so far it's simple, it works, and it doesn't feel like a big deal to use. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.